The first typewriter, Christopher Sholes, and the machine that gave words wings. In the quiet corners of 1860s Milwaukee, a man named Christopher Latham Sholes, a printer and newspaper editor, found himself struggling. Every day, he wrote pages by hand editorials, letters, reports. The ink smudged, his hands cramped. Mistakes meant starting over. There had to be a better way to write. Then one day, while watching a machine number pages, a thought crossed his mind. If numbers can be stamped, why not letters? That simple idea changed the course of writing forever. Along with inventors Samuel Soule and Carlos Glidden, Sholes began building a strange wooden machine. It had levers, arms, and a keyboard. Press a key, and a metal bar would swing up, hit an inked ribbon, and leave a letter on the page. It was slow. It jammed. It clattered loudly, but it worked. In 1868, Sholes and his team patented the world's first practical typewriter. At first, people mocked it. Pens were smoother, quieter, and familiar. But soon, businesses, offices, and writers realized this invention saved time, improved neatness, and changed communication. To fix jamming issues, Sholes rearranged the keys into a layout called QWERTY, designed to slow typing just enough to prevent the bars from clashing. That same keyboard is still used today across phones and computers. Sholes sold his invention to the Remington Company, which mass-produced it. He didn't become rich, but he lived to see his typewriter in use across the world. The typewriter opened new doors. Women entered the workforce as typists. Offices ran faster. Literature, law, journalism all changed forever. A revolution of letters, a new voice for the world. And it all began with one man, one question, and the sound of the future. Click, clack, tap.